Hello! Welcome to my channel How to AI, where we discover powerful AI tools that can transform the way you work. In this video, I'll show you an AI tool that can save you time, increase productivity, and help you grow faster. Today I'm talking about Topaz Gigapixel AI Pro 8.4.4. Let's get started. Topaz Labs Gigapixel AI is an advanced image upscaling software that uses deep learning to enlarge images while preserving sharpness, clarity, and fine details. Unlike traditional tools that just stretch pixels, Gigapixel AI intelligently analyzes images to reconstruct realistic details for high-resolution output. It allows you to upscale images up to 600% while keeping them sharp. It's perfect for photographers, designers, and print professionals. Key features include face recovery technology for portraits, batch processing to resize multiple images at once, and incredible detail enhancement. The benefits? Superior quality, time-saving batch workflows, and professional output perfect for large prints and billboards. It supports Windows 10 and 11. For best performance, 16 gigs of RAM and a dedicated GPU with 4 gigs of VRAM are recommended. Topaz Gigapixel AI goes beyond resizing to deliver pixel-perfect processing. If you want to stay ahead with the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe. New AI discoveries every week. Turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.